aba batakatandikire kubyara imiti babandize no kwirukanga nkagumwa ha muringo ogurije kureta hinkwatanisa omukugaruzaho ibyo bahangwa Evelyn Mugume orukujunanizibwe ibyo bahangwa ahabwa Kasese municipality nagira ngo nangwa okubyara imiti kishikire kuba cyakozerwe kare.
As we all know, today the weather has gone beyond the bend. The climate is no longer what we used to know This is the end of August, but we are not sure if the rain season has started. All these are the effects or the manifestations of climate change.
We protect the glacier, the snow on the mountains, and also prevent landslides.
Nagira ngo okubyara imiteje nikijagaro ibyo bahangwa evire byasiskire.
I know it will be very hard, but if we do not start, we will never be able to catch up with the situation. So planting trees today is the solution to reducing the ever-increasing temperatures that are affecting every sector of life.
Minister Godfrey Kabyanga Baruko nawe oshikiraho kubyara imiteji nagira ngo imiteji neza kuweraho mu kucendezo mwika ogurabe n'ugurugo mu makorero.
And already there is a Metu company which is setting up a bus and motorcycle assembly plant. We strongly believe there might be some pollution which will be done. And the fact that we are now planting trees, the trees will continue cleaning that environment of any form of pollution.
And one of the investors has promised to put a juice production industry here. And once we have this in plenty, these will be raw materials for our investor to be able to produce juice.
Abasinjiro mu kwirukanga bahirwe medali amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.